Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like finding local maximums from a table are actually super fast once you know exactly what to look for. Let's solve this now. First, remember that a local maximum occurs only when the first derivative changes from positive to negative. We need to find an interval where the sign of the derivative flips correctly. Looking at our table, we see that the derivative is positive 1 at 0 and negative 1 at 1. This means the function must cross 0 somewhere inside that specific interval. Since the derivative is continuous, it must hit 0 and change signs. This guarantees a local maximum exists. Option A is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully. Always trust given values and check your steps.